Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the best gadgets and tools for everyday life. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for cruise enthusiasts, the LOVIMAG Cruise Magnetic Hooks. These magnetic hooks aren't just any hooks. They're designed specifically for cruise ship cabins, offering a seamless way to organize and decorate your space without any drilling or damage. Let's talk about why these are considered the best hooks for cruise ships. The LOVIMAG magnetic hooks come in a pack of 6, each capable of holding up to 80 pounds vertically and 27 pounds horizontally. That's some serious magnetic strength. They're not just functional. They add a splash of color with options like blue, black, silver, and more. Perfect for personalizing your cabin door or walls. What sets these hooks apart is their versatility. Whether you're hanging towels, hats, or organizing your accessories, these hooks make it easy. They're rust-resistant and designed for durability, ensuring they'll last through many voyages. Installation is a breeze, just place them on any metal surface, and they're good to go. No tools needed. Users rave about how these hooks enhance their cruise experience. They're praised for being easy to use and remove, making them perfect for temporary setups. And with a 10% coupon available right now, there's no better time to snag a set for your next voyage. In conclusion, the LOVIMAG Cruise Magnetic Hooks are a game changer for anyone looking to maximize space and organization on their cruise. They combine strength, style, and simplicity into one essential travel accessory. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of cruise essentials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy cruising!